Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Rama Raksha, Sarva Jagat Raksha. Before getting into the topic, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you motivate us in bringing out this sacred content to you all. I'm offering a paid consultation and guidance service through email and also through telephone counseling sessions. So you can see if you wanna take the email consultations or the telephone consultations with me, Vibe Bharat, and also this is our very own brand which is called as Stitika. So if you did not listen to my previous videos, why Stitika and all, so go listen to that. So these are completely naturally dyed kalamkari saris which I'm going to show you. So today I'm going to show you all the black and white themed saris. So now here there is a creamish white and a black color work which is done, and also there is a green border to this, and they are beautiful girls all over the saree. And when it comes to the pallu, there is an elephant. Here again, you can see Krishna playing his flute, and all other people, all other gopikas are enchanted by him, and they are like coming close and moving towards Krishna by getting influenced by his flute. And also all the cows also, you can see there are so many cows, gomatas, all of them are like circling Krishna and being mesmerized in his divine music. And there are lots and lots of ladies and trees and gopikas all over the sari, which is very amazing. Here, this beautiful wedding ceremony of Lakshmi Narayan is going on, and there are so many people who are coming in booths to attend the wedding of the Lakshmi Narayan. And also there is a circle which you can see, which is the cosmic flower of life, which is which came as a border to the pallu, and the entire sari is filled with boat and so many people. Here you can see the twin flames like peacocks, two peacocks, and there are like so many images of the masculine and the feminine, Radha and Krishna, here all over the sari. So two peacocks and full sari is filled with the Radha and Krishna. And now here you can see a central theme of peacock in the like in a symbolic form, and then there are like so many cosmic flowers of lives in this, and lots of peacocks and so many animals, spirits animals are present in this. Here now again, this is black and white theme, where you can also see the border, which is a this is a Mangalgiri sari, Radha and Krishna talking to each other. Here you can see a peacock which is playing a veena, and then there are lots and lots of trees here, and lots of Radha and Krishna conversation is going on. Beautiful sari. Here again, the black and white theme, and there are so many peacocks here in this one, and there are so many people who are like a now it's just like a realm of Narayan, and so many people are coming to talk to Lakshmi and Narayan. That is the theme of this beautiful black and white sari, which came with a beautiful goldenish black border, which is a Mangalgiri silk sari. So place your order now. If you like it, you can DM me in the WhatsApp to the number provided. Here again, the Lakshmi Narayana sitting together, and then there are lots and lots of like a cosmic flower of lives again, and there are the beautiful girls, and then there is a beautiful flowers which are arranged very nicely in this sari. And then you can see the detailing of it, how nicely, how detailedly both of them are present as a couple. And then there is this is a very beautiful and a special saree, because this is a theme of Gajendra Moksha, and also Lakshmi and Narayan coming to save that elephant. If you know the story of the Gajendra Moksha, there will be a crocodile which will the elephant will attack the crocodile, and elephant's leg is attacked by the crocodile, and now elephant is praying to Vishnu to give him the liberation, the moksha, and Vishnu is coming to save the elephant. That is a theme of Gajendra Moksha, which is a very important theme for your liberation, for your lots of spiritual growth and karmic cleansing will happen with this kind of a theme and stuff. And here you can see two lotuses. On two lotuses there are two cows which are sitting facing each other, and then there are like a beautiful girls which are present all over the sari. Again, this is the Gajendra Moksha theme. You can see very clearly how nicely the detailing of the Gajendra Moksha has been done and drawn on the sari very beautifully. beautifully, and the entire sari is also filled with a lots and lots of artwork here, and the entire detail of the elephant and finishing of the elephant is also very perfect. Now here again the peacock kind of a thing, and then it's like a cow, and it's like a celestial cow, and then it has a wings. It's just like a little bit looking like a kamdenu, and beautiful black and white sari with beautiful finishing, so beautifully it came out. And then there is an entire, in the entire sari you can see a lots and lots of flowers here. So the again the Gajendra Moksha with lots and lots of the other spirit animals are also present in the entire theme. So this is again the peacock one with the lots of cosmic flower of life, and then there is the entire sari is also filled with lots and lots of peacocks. Here they are like it's like a bullock cart, and somebody is pulling the bullock cart, and some people are walking sideways, and then there is a complete peacock which is dancing, like which is opening the entire its feathers, and then it is dancing. Here a beautiful lady is playing a veena, and then all of them are surrounding the lady, and there are lots and lots of ladies here which are like arranged simultaneously in the entire theme. Again the I told you the theme of the people who are like the divine gods coming to the Lakshmi and Narayan in this one. Here again the Lakshmi and Narayan are sitting together, and then there is a peacock sideways which is fully opening its feathers. Here we can see Lakshmi Narayan, and then the so these are some of our collections which will come with attached blouses, and also the blouses also highlighting the sari very beautifully. You can see very nicely done art even on the blouses. So if you want to order it, you can DM me on my number, which is 9121734848. So grab your sari now before it's too late. So thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know in the comment section below which sari, which theme did you like the most in all of these which you have seen just now. So these are some of the black and white collections, and if you want one any single color with this pattern, suppose now it's a black and white one, so if you want it in green or pink or some other colors or yellow or with the same the entire sari filled with one color, that is also available. So you can DM me for your orders. Thank you so much.